Well, hello, welcome back to another episode in the campervan build. I'm going to do the bed today, or going to start making the bed frame. I've already bolted two bits of angle iron in the back of the van. I think I've got a picture. If I have, I'll see if I can insert it now.
He hasn't.
But I've got this industrial racking stuff, which I'll show you. Yeah, this stuff, and it's not, it looks virtually perfect, but it's not. So what I'm planning on doing is pretty much basically cutting it all up and cutting it to shape, to the sizes I want. It's got these two ribs across here. Initially I was going to leave them, but because I say it's not quite long enough, so I've got to cut one of the ends out and lengthen it. Then obviously they're going to be too short, because I can lengthen it here. I've already cut that off to length there, but these are going to be too short. So what I'm going to do is, I don't think you need two supports, so just one support at the middle, and obviously weld a piece of the other one into it, and that'll instead of having two, it'll just have one, so that'll add lightness. So we all have to add some lightness, don't we? So I'll take it outside and start cutting it up. Right, that's that all welded up. I said that, didn't I? But I've painted it now. I've got some of these IKEA bed slats, but they're slightly too long, so I've got to cut them down. I've clamped them together. I need to cut 3.5 centimetres off of each end. Right, that's it. Then I've used IKEA bed slats. I had to cut them down, but they're only 35 quid for a complete set for 4'6", but as it's only 4 foot, I have to cut a bit off of each one. But I haven't videoed that actually. This is like a couple of days later, so I've forgotten what I've videoed and what I haven't. It's all fixed in. I've used these. Focus these over centre clip type things again, so that if I want to take it out to put get anything in here, I can. Well, it's not a 5-minute job, but it's easy and unbolting. So yeah, and probably go for either an Emma mattress, or I was looking at some on Amazon. I can't remember what they're called now. Slightly, because the Emma one's about 25mm deep, which will be right up here somewhere. With your finger, which would be a bit too, well, slightly thinner one, I think. But yeah, I've still got to sort the back doors out. Still got to sort the side door out. But it's coming together slowly. Right. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and all that, and leave a comment if you want to leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.